Softec. This is the Linux distribution. It's called, this version is Ubuntu 18.06. So now we are beginning the new era of our YouTube channel. In this we are going to learn about how to use Linux basic softwares which require to run the Linux distribution. Also I am providing information about how to stream your live video and other things like recording a video, editing video, and how to make 3D models and how to make 3D intros and everything on the Linux with the base of open source software from the Ubuntu software or the any Linux distribution. Has most of the Linux distribution has the same software, same bundle of softwares. So I am just going to tell you about the basic things which require to, you have to gather this knowledge in order to use the Linux distribution. So first of all I am giving you the shortcut to open the terminal is enter Control and T. It will direct you to terminal. Now first of all I am going to give you 2 or 3 basic codes which help you a lot. First of all, CD, it's called change directory. Change directory will provide you to the command which we called CLI, command line inter. This is called a CLI, command line interface, through which we can go into any directory or give command to install or download any software or any folder into the our Linux distribution in our hard drive. Okay, so first of all we get the ls, which provide the list of the folders and files in which directory we are right now. So now if I want to go to the music directory, then cd space, we just have to type some of word, like I type mu. Now press tab, it will automatically take the common one, then press enter. Okay, now we are in the music directory, then again provide list. Now if you are in the folder which have only just one file or one folder, then you just have to type cd and hit tab. It automatically take that folder and understand that you want to go inside the folder, so hit enter. Now if you press ls, then it will give the list of which things you have in that folder. So this is the main code. Now if you want to go backward, means the home directory, then just write cd, hit enter, and ls. You are now at your origin place at home. Okay, now clear, clear, it will clear your command terminal. Now the third one, and in this tutorial this is the last one, sudo is a code which used for if you want to take permission or if you want to provide permission, because you are the administrator. So if you want to provide permission of and for any software to get install or update or upgrade, so you can give the permission. So let's write sudo get update, enter. So it will ask for password. So if you are not authenticate user, then you cannot update this PC. Okay, and if you want to terminate any process, because of this is updating process, I can't terminate it. It will, after that word, it will take lots of time to redirect that. So now I am going to tell you, if you want to terminate any process in the middle of the downloading and installing, I will suggest you to not do that, because after that what you have to uninstall that whole program, and then you have to install it after restarting your PC. It will take a lot of work. So just in some case you have to press Ctrl Z. So let's do it. Okay, this process Ctrl Z. Look, it stopped. Sudo apt-get update is stopped. Okay, so to install any application you have to do that. Now likewise, if you are running out of your source and you want to do anything like uh, how to do that, use the terminal. So just type help. In your free time you can look out for every command and everything. After that, if you want to any code, like just we take cd. If you don't understand this code, then write the code and then type help. Okay, sorry, write the help and type the code. It will provide you all the information. After the next tutorial I will give you information on how to use this lpe and @ how to use copy command to directly copy any folder from one to another through the command line interface. So this is the tutorial for now. Okay, so if you like this video, then hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you want to learn the new things in Linux, also in Windows, but right now we are focusing on the Linux system. So onwards I am giving you the video on how to make YouTube videos or any videos on the Linux and how to edit. I will provide you two best software for 3D modeling as well as the regular video editing, which are best in this Linux distribution. So thank you very much. Stay tuned to the Vortex of Tech.